Here we're going to sew the leather loop onto the shoulder strap. We're going to sew the short straight line in the middle here. Sweat length for sew this straight line will take 1/10 of the total shoulder strap. Next step, we are going to sew 4 short straight lines on these 2 leather patch. Each of the short straight line will between these 2 big holes. Sweat length will be 4 times of the finger distance. Okay, the last step, we are going to attach the long shoulder strap onto the handle. Here we take up the small leather strap and connect it onto the longer strap. Same as the other side. Here we're going to sew this area. So the sweat length for sew this area will take 1/10 of the finger distance. Okay, now we have finished the sewing part. The last step is only to adjust the length according to your needs. Here we are, we have finished the shoulder strap. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this part.